Hey everyone, I hope all of you are good, guys. I was going to pray the prayer, but then I hear the sound of the wind, okay? Then I came out on my terrace and I checked that it is like a windstorm, okay? It is a dry windstorm everywhere. There is dust particle everywhere, and the wind speed is really fast, okay? As I know that in the America, in the USA, there are the wooden homes, okay? The homes built of the wood there, okay? So this kind of storm, this kind of wind speed can take all the wooden homes above the sky, okay? Guys, I shared it with you guys because I was wondering, I was thinking that in the USA, how the people survive this kind of really faster kind of storms, because you guys have the wooden homes and we guys have bricks home, okay, the concrete ones. You guys can see that we have the bricks home, solid bricks, okay. Oh, well, right now there is sand, there is dust everywhere on the sky. You guys can see. Woo. Right now the wind speed is under control. That's why I have to go back inside of my home and pray the prayer. Hey guys, I was going inside of my home. I was going inside of my apartment, but then the wind speed become more faster than before. And you guys can see the trees behind me. They are more faster. They are more faster than the before wind. Oh man, even I can stand properly. Oh, I just came out again for you guys to show that which kind of atmosphere, which kind of weather we have right now. Wow. Woo. Even I can imagine that this wind can take me above the sky. It feels like a wind of the hurricane, okay? Like in the USA there are the hurricanes. This wind is faster like that. Oh man, you guys can check the wind speed. You guys can test the wind speed through the trees behind me. Oh man, it become more faster. Ooh, hey American people, you guys can imagine that we are living in a heaven because we have the homes built of the bricks. Oh. Woo. Oh man. Now it's time to go. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. The wind is becoming faster and I can't stand here anymore. Okay, bye bye.